Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. Alright, so thanks to that this device have a special app which is connected with the security, you don't really have to do a lot. All you have to do in order to virus scan your device is to enter the security. Let's tap on it. Of course, you will have to agree to all of the terms and conditions. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are connected with the storage and so on. And I really highly recommend to, for example, clean your device. But let's focus on the viruses. As you can see, right next to it, we've got the security scan. So let's tap on it. Of course, again, you will have to agree to the privacy policy. And your device will simply scan itself. Wherever you will enter this section, will scan itself in order to find any kind of viruses, any kind of malware, and thanks to this, it will simply check if your device is protected. As you can see, in my case, everything looks good, but if for some reason in your device there will be some kind of viruses or even any kind of problems, then your device will simply list them here and you will be able to get rid of them. And I highly recommend to do this kind of security scan from time to time to be sure that your device is protected. So basically that's all. This is how to virus scan your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.